Why I stopped using popular strategies, my fix, I'm going to explain it to you right here. So what it is that a lot of people are trading supply and demand or support resistance, don't fully understand what they're doing. They're using MACD, RSI, all these late indicators, and even like volume that they just don't know what they're doing. I figured it out. I know what to do now. Let me teach you exactly what I do. So I created a strategy that gets rid of my face here. I call it NNT. It's the same thing I'm looking for again and again and again. I trade the strategy live on the 5 second time frame. I use a 15-minute and 1 minute to gauge direction. So let me show you what the strategy is and what we're looking for. I can draw it out because it's so simple. I'm looking for the same thing again and again and again. So I'm looking for a sweep, and after the sweep, I'm going to get the swing high and swing low, and I'm going to create a zone. So let's create a zone with the swing high and swing low. Then you want to tap on the zone and want price to break structure after the tap. So the tap happens, we want the structure to break, then we want price to reach 100% away from the zone. So the zone times 2, 100% away. So yes, 100% away, awesome. Then we put an order at 50% with our take profit above and our stop 1 tick below. And we're looking for the same pattern again and again and again. I call this NNT, new name trading. So let's get rid of all these drawings. And currently we're on a combine. Today we traded live. Let me show you my results. I started a new combine. I'm gonna just pass a combine on a live stream. This was a mistake. I was trading while I was really sick. I was going for eternal swing instead of going for the 1-to-1. So I took a loss. But yesterday I did really well, and then today I'm at break even. I had a losing trade and then a winning trade. And let's go back to the charts. And that's basically it. It's so simple. I don't trade until after 12:30 Central Time, so I'm just waiting for the time to cross so we can start taking trades. I'll cut the video up and see if we can catch a trade during the session. And I can show you a bearish example while we're waiting for that line to cross. Let me show you to the downside. I also have a video I'll leave in the description where I go more in depth on the strategy. Um, so if you want a full breakdown. So like I said, we're looking for the sweep right here. We're gonna get the swing high, swing low, and create a zone. So let's do that. Swing high and swing low and create a zone. We then want to tap on the zone, and have break a structure after the tap. So then we want to make sure we reach 100% away from the zone. So 2 zones, definitely reached 100%. And we will put our order at 50%, our stop 1 tick above, and then our TP on the line. And it's that easy. It's so simple. It's super mechanical, and you're just doing the same thing again and again. This is how I'm able to execute on the 5 second time frame. And I have all these lines here, this mumbo jumbo mess. It's on the just to gauge direction. I have a mentorship where it has a course where it teaches you how to understand what all this is. It is helping me gauge direction. And today I took a loss due to trading a counter trend trade. I can show you if you want to see it. So it was clearly counter trend, but I knew what I was doing, so I took the risk anyways. Textbook setup, and I took a loss on it. And then my second setup was not counter trend, it was with the trend, and it was a winner. So currently I break even for the day. Alright, and then let's now I'm gonna cut the video up, and hopefully you can see me take a trade. I'll put my face in the corner so you can watch. Here we go. So let's see if we find anything. We have a whole hour. This is the setup that we're looking for. Just again and again and again. And this one too. Same setup. We're looking for it again and again. Okay, enough of me yapping. I'll cut the video from here on out now. Okay, so what I have my order here for the setup. It's very textbook. I'm going to go over it real quick. So we have sweep, tap on the zone, break of structure after the tap, and then we fill 50%. So the sweep right here, so we get the swing high and the swing low. We create a zone. So kind of swing low, let's make it regular. And then we have a tap on the zone, break of structure after the tap, 100% away from the zone. We put our order at 50% with our take profit below and our stop above. See if we fail.
Order filled.
Put our take profit right here. Our stop one tick above. Let's see what happens. So yeah, here's the setup. The swing high, the swing low, the sweep right here, the tap on the zone, the break of structure after the tap, and then we come in, put our order at 50%, take profit. Oh, I put the tick not close enough, but there it goes. It came and filled it. This was on the combine, so we're up 1R on the day. I stopped at 3 trades, so let me lock myself out real quick. Let's lock myself for the rest of the day. And it's that easy. As you can see, I was just watching YouTube while I was waiting for a setup. Saw me picking my nose and scratching my face, just waiting for something. That's basically it. We're just doing the same thing again and again. And I'll go over this trade one more time. Let's do it this time with a brighter, let's see rid of this. Okay. So let's make this green. Those little lines that's in the square, if you want more, I go over it in the mentorship. The mentorship has a free 3-day trial. It has a course. You can go over it in the course. There's a lot of good information in there. But let me just show you this. Make this color white. Oh, you know what? Yeah, I'll leave it white. Okay, let me make this. Okay. So we're looking for a sweep. There's a sweep right there. So price comes up, sweeps, then comes back down, and then we see the clear tap right there. Tap into the zone, and we come out. So we get the swing high, the swing low, and we create the zone. We have the tap on the zone right here, the break of structure after the tap. So look, swing high, the swing low, the sweep, the tap on the zone, the break of structure after the tap. 100% away, 100% was right here, so 100% away from the zone. Then we put our order at 50% with our take profit on the line below, and our stop one tick above. It's that easy. You're just doing the same thing again and again and again. And I can show you today's results if you want to see. You know what's something I need to do real quick that I did not do is I forgot to journal this trade. Let's make it bigger. Let's get this out the way here. And then I'll just draw this real quick. Let's copy here. This way. Copy image. Slap it in the journal for the day. Alright. Textbook setup. There's really nothing we can say about this play. Just exactly what we're looking for. And we're up 1R because 1R. And we did 3 trades. Let's fix this right here. 3. And we traded afternoon also. Honestly, super EQ for this afternoon session. And then that's it. And then I gotta make this green instead of break even. Boom. So I'm journal for the day. And yeah, it's that simple. Just doing the same thing again and again and again. And yeah, if you want more in depth on the strategy, I have a video linked below where you can get more in depth. I also have a mentorship course where it gives you clear direction on everything, behavior, psychology, absolutely everything. Give it all a look. There's no need for you to be trying to use MACD or these lay indicators. The strategy takes 0 indicators. We're just using price action. And that's what you want. You don't want to be all discombobulated, confused. Just know what you're actually looking for. You saw I was just watching YouTube, literally picking my nose, just sitting around waiting. That's what you want to be doing. You want this to be boring. You don't want this to be exciting. And I always expect a loss because I'm trying to keep my emotions at bay. And this is how we have a successful trade. I'm going to pass this combine live, so stay tuned. Watch me live. Trade Monday through Friday, hit Friday, and I'm trading the 5-second time frame. And you can see the times right here. So it's 1 trade, 2 trade, and then my 3rd trade. Alrighty, that concludes the session. Thank you so much for joining me, and stay tuned for more.